10 April 2019. The day when humans made a big step in understanding the universe. The team of Event Horizon Telescope took the first ever image of a black hole. Wait. What is a black hole anyway? And why weren't we able to take the image earlier? Today I am going to answer these questions. So let's begin. Black holes were first predicted by John Michell in 1783. Then in 1915, Einstein published his theory of general relativity. This allowed the existence of black holes. Carl Schwarzschild in the year 1916 found the first modern solution to the Einstein's general relativity. But the paradigm we know today was first presented by David Finkelstein in the year 1958. Black holes in scientific terms are deep warp in space-time, or the bodies which don't allow anything to escape. What does that mean? Einstein told that space and time are relative. For example, you have to attend a party at 1st November 2020 at Taj Hotel in Mumbai. Without any of the date or address, you won't be able to attend the party. Similarly, space and time are relative to each other and form an imaginary net-like structure on space. More the gravity of an object, more the deep warp. Like if you take a bed sheet and stretch it tight and keep a heavy ball, you will see it forms a warp. Black holes have such a high gravitational force, they warp space-time too much. Due to this, their escape velocity is more than light speed. Which means light even can escape from it. How does a black hole form? The hydrogen in the core of Sun emits light by nuclear fusion. The force exerted by nuclear fusion is balanced by the force of gravity. But nuclear fusion only occurs until there is fuel. When the fuel runs out, gravity dominates nuclear fusion. Then, the star says sayonara and collapses. This is called supernova explosion. But the formation of black hole depends on the mass of the star. The stars with mass more than 3 solar masses becomes a black hole. Black holes are categorized on the basis of their masses. There are stellar black holes with 10 times mass of our Sun and radius of around 3 million centimeters. Then there are intermediate mass black holes with 1,000 solar masses and radius of 100 million centimeters. Then there are supermassive black holes like in the center of our galaxy named Saggitarrius A. These black holes have 100 million to 10 billion solar masses. But the real fact comes now. Believe it or not, there are black holes with the mass of Moon and with radius up to 0.1 millimeters. Scientists detect black hole by the gravitational effect they make in their surroundings. Can we see them? Remember I told you even light can escape from a black hole. We see an object when the light is reflected from the surface. But when light can't escape the black hole, how we even took the photo of it? Did they lie to us? Well, the Event Horizon Telescope is a group of telescopes from different parts of the Earth. The telescopes took pictures of the light escaping the accretion disk of black holes and merged them together and gave us this masterpiece. Now what are the constituents of a black hole? So the black hole has an accretion disk. It contains all the stuff in its gravitational pull. Then there is Schwarzschild radius. It is named after Carl Schwarzschild, who gave the formula by which a star can become a black hole with its Schwarzschild radius. Then there is an event horizon, or the outer boundary of a black hole. It is also known as point of no return. If an object enters it, it is never gonna come out. Then comes the singularity. It is the point in the center of the black hole where no laws of physics work. The space-time curvature at this point is literally infinite. This was some basic knowledge about black holes. But as Sir Isaac Newton said, what we know is a drop. What we don't know is an ocean. This video was made in collaboration with my fellow YouTuber Is It Possible, so please go and check out his video on black holes, the link is in the description. Hope you liked the video, so please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Meet you in another video.